The more interesting thing that has happened is, guess where all the repos of all these other guys who are generating lots and lots of code go to? They go to GitHub. So GitHub is at an all-time high in terms of repo creation, PRs, everything. Interestingly enough, we are getting one developer joining GitHub a second or something. That is the stat, I think. And then 80% of them just fall into some GitHub Copilot workflow just because there are. And by the way, many of these things will even use some of our code review agents, which are by default on just because you can use it. So this is where, for example, you have a thing called mission control. And you go to mission control, and now I can fire off. Sometimes I describe it as the cable TV of all these AI agents, because I'll have essentially packaged into one subscription Codex, Claude, cognition stuff, anyone's agents, Grok, all of them will be there. So I get one package, and then I can literally go issue a task, steer them. So they will all be working in their independent branches, because right now, I want to be able to use multiple agents. I want to be able to then digest the output of the multiple agents. I want to be able to then keep a handle on my repo. So if there's some kind of a heads-up display that needs to be built, and then for me to quickly steer and triage what the coding agents have generated. That, to me, between VS Code, GitHub, and all of these new primitives we will build as mission control, I think with a control plane, observability, I mean, think about every one who is going to deploy all this will require a whole host of observability of what agent did what, at what time, to what code base. So I feel that's the opportunity. And at the end of the day, your point is well taken, which is we better be competitive and innovate. And if we don't, yes, we will get toppled.